Greetings again, amazing traders. I want to quickly explain again the different types of market orders. I realize that you have been facing a lot of challenges with this, even though we studied this already a few months ago. So we have the instant execution or the market execution, which means you want to buy a currency pair instantly. We have the buy stop, we have the sell stop, we have the buy limit, and then we have the sell limit orders, which are also called the pending orders. So we have two major categories of market orders. We have the instant execution, which means you want to buy instantly. We have the pending order, which means this is an order that you set that will be executed at a later stage. Okay, let's assume that maybe you are very busy, you have a tight schedule, you assume that price is going to react at a certain level, a certain way. So you place your order there and you anticipate that when price gets there, your order is going to be filled. Now, how do you use this type of orders when trading in Forex? Let us say, for example, you are looking at GBP USD and you want to buy GBP USD. Let's look at the two categories, okay? Now, if you click on GBP USD, you are going to see right below, you see new order, you will see chart, you see properties, but let's focus on new order. If you click on new order, you are going to see right above, you will see instant execution, okay, which means you want to buy or sell GBP USD instantly. You don't want to set a pending order. Now, let's say you don't want to buy instantly, you believe that price is going to go to a certain level and react from there. So you want to set a pending order. What you are going to do is you are going to click on instant execution over here. When you click on instant execution, you are going to see the type of market orders that we have talked about. You see buy limit, you see sell limit, buy stop, and then sell stop. You are going to concentrate on that. Forget about buy stop limit and sell stop limit. So what is a buy limit, what is a sell limit, what is a buy stop, and what is a sell stop? Let us go back. Now let us assume that let's look at GBP USD. Let's look at the chart. Okay, good. Let us assume that you anticipate that GBP USD is going to drop down here and then buy from there. Okay, remember we said that a buy limit order is an order that is set below the current market price. Now, if you look at GBP USD, what is the current market price here? Look to the left of your screen, or to the right of your screen, sorry. You are going to see 1.25583. This is the current market price of GBP USD. Now, if you want to set a buy limit order, it means you are going to set an order below this current market price. Okay, let us do something. Let's assume that we anticipate that price is going to drop to this level. Okay, this is just an analysis, it's not a trade advice. You anticipate that price will drop to this level and then buy up from here as per your analysis, okay, and then buy from here. So you are setting a pending order below the current market price. What you will do is you are going to take this crosshair and you hover over the level you anticipate that price will come there. Now look to the right. What is the price? 1.25519. okay, this price is below the current market price. Okay, you are going to copy that somewhere, don't forget. Now you are going to set a stop loss also. Let's assume that you want to set a stop loss slightly below the entry price. Now, what is this stop loss? 1.25411. Look to the right of my screen. You see these values in black? You copy that, okay? Now, you want to set also a take profit. You are going to take this crosshair right over here to whichever level you anticipate that price is going to go there. Now, you look again to the right of your screen. It is 1.25952. okay, that is your take profit, TP. Remember we learned how to add and subtract pips. Okay, so what you will do is you will go back to quote, press on quote. When you press on quote, you are going to see GBP USD again. You click on GBP USD. Now you go to new order. Okay, remember we are setting a buy limit order because we anticipate that price will drop below that current market price, which is 1.25583. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. We are going to click on instant execution, right? When you click on instant execution, you click on buy limit. I hope you understand this. Now you are going to copy the value you anticipate that price will drop to, the price. Okay, and what was that price? That price was 1 point, delete all of these zeros, and you copy that price there. That price that was below the current market price, 25519. Okay, you should copy that. Now what was your stop loss? Your stop loss was below that current market price. What was it? It was 1.25411. Okay, that was your stop loss. Now what was your TP, the value that you copied above the current market price? What was it? It was 1.25952. Now when you do this, you are going to see right down to your screen, you see place, which means if you place this order, now you have set a buy limit order. Now when you go to your chart, you are going to see this buy limit order. If you click on this buy limit order, it's going to show you the value on the chart. Now you can see delete order, you can see modify, you can see new order. Now just click on this, and then you click on chart. When you go to chart, you see it there, you see the values here. Okay, this shows that you have placed a buy limit order on GBP USD. I hope this is understood. Now you see that the order has been set below the current market price. This is how you can set a buy limit order, which is a pending order in Forex. I hope it is understood. Now what if you want to set a sell limit order? What is a sell limit order? It is the exact opposite of a buy limit order. A buy limit order is set below the current market price, anticipating that price will react from there and then buy. Now, what about a sell limit order? A sell limit order, on the other hand, is set above the current market price, anticipating that when price gets there, it is going to react from there and sell off. Let us assume that you anticipate, based on your analysis, that when price gets to this level, it's going to react from here and then sell off. Okay, so this is a sell limit order because it is above the current market price. Look at the current market price in green to the right of your screen. You see it is 1.25595. This is the current market price. Okay, now if you want to set a sell limit order, it should be above the current market price. You take again your crosshair and you hover at that level you want to set that pending order. Now what is that price there? 1.25808. Okay, that is the level at which you want to set your pending order, which is a sell limit order. Okay, now you have to set also a stop loss. If you want to set that stop loss above the price, you still take your crosshair and you copy the value. So your stop loss is going to be 1.25949. Remember, we said when you are selling, you have to add your stop loss and then you subtract your take profit. Now, if you assume that when price reacts here, it is going to drop right down to this level. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to copy your take profit. Right down here is going to be your take profit. You are going to copy that value, which is 1.25246. I hope it is understood. Now you go back to quote again. This time you click on GBP USD, you press and hold, you press on new order. Now you press on instant execution again over here, and then you press on sell limit because you are selling above the current market price. I hope it is understood. Now you are going to copy that price at which you want to sell from. You anticipate that price will get there and react, which was 1 point. Again, you have to delete all of these zeros and then you fill in the value there. Okay, delete these zeros. 1.25808. that is your entry price. Okay, now what is your stop loss here? 1.25. always copy the values because you are going to forget. 1.25949. now what was your take profit that you copied? You anticipate that price is going to drop there. It's 1.25246. 646. Okay, now you are going to see place again down here. Just press place. This means that you have set a sell limit order and you anticipate that when price gets there, it's going to sell off from there, and the price must be above the current market price. I hope this is understood. If you press on this and you press on chart, you are going to see it here. Okay, look at this value in red. It means my sell limit order has been set here. This is it here. Okay, and then this is my TP right down here, and this is my stop loss right above here. I hope this is understood. Now let us do the other category. We can still go back and we delete this, okay, just to make our chart clean. We can, okay, let's take trades. Okay, now you can just press and hold and then you delete the order. Okay, you can delete this so that we can make our chart clean. You see it's deleted. All right, let's take the other category, which is a buy stop order. We said already, in this case, let's take Euro USD, no problem. Said already that to set a buy stop order is set above the current market price. Okay, now assuming you have analyzed your chart and you think that the market is going to continue to go up above the current market price. Now this is the current market price. You look to the right of your screen. The current market price for Euro USD is 1.07691. okay, that's the current market price. Now if you have done your analysis and you think that price is going to continue to buy from there and go up, now you can set an order above this current market price, okay, so that when price reacts from here and pushes up, it should trigger you in the market. I hope you get it. Let's assume that you are going to be busy and you have a lot to do. You will not have time to do an instant execution. You can set a pending order and you just leave. Now what are you going to do? You are going to hover your crosshair to the level at which you want to set that order, and you are going to copy that price. Now what is the price at which you want to enter? The one in black, okay, 07720. okay, that is going to be your entry price. I hope it is understood. Now let's say you want to set your stop loss below here. Now you are going to copy the value again down, 1.07617. okay, that's going to be your stop loss. Now if your take profit is going to be above here, you are going to copy that value, TP is equal to 1.07918. now you go back again to quote, you press and hold Euro USD, you press on new order, you press on instant execution. This time you are setting a buy stop order because you anticipate that price is going to continue to go up. Now what are you going to do? You are going to copy the price at which you anticipate that price will push up and trigger you, okay, the price that you copied. Delete all of these zeros again and you fill in that value, 0.7720. that is going to be your entry price, and then you are going to copy that stop loss again, which is 1.07617. okay, I copied it somewhere so I'm reading. Then your take profit is going to be 1.07918. Now when you do that, you are going to see place again. Okay, just place it. Good. Go back to Euro USD and then you press on chart. You are going to see that you see the value in blue here. Okay, you see that my order has been set above the current market price. What is the current market price now? 1.07677. Look at this value in green, okay, to the right of my screen. That's the current market price, but I have an order above that current market price because I anticipate that price will push up from there and trigger me and hit my TP. I hope this is understood. Now what about the sell stop order? The sell stop order is set below the current market price, anticipating that price is going to continue to drop further. Now let us say you feel that no, price will continue to drop further, but you will not be in the market at that time when price drops. So you are going to come down here or any value and you will set your order below the current market price so that when price drops down, it's going to trigger you and fill you in. Okay, so what are you going to do again? Now you are going to hover your mouse or your crosshair to the price at which you want to set that value. Now what is the current market price now is 1.07677. Look, it is in green. but you want to set an order below that current market price because you anticipate that price will drop further. Now you copy that entry price, which is 1.07585. The value is in black, okay? Look at my crosshair, it is in black here, okay? So now let's say you want to set a stop loss above that price. You copy it again. Stop loss is going to be equal to 1.07719, okay? Now let us assume that you think that price is going to drop right to this level. You are going to copy, that's going to be a take profit. TP will be equal to 1.07087. The values in black, okay? Now you go back again to quote. You press and hold Euro USD, you press on new order, then you press instant execution. You are going to see sell stop. You press sell stop, okay? Now what you are going to do is you are going to fill in that value, which was your entry price, 1.07585. That's going to be your entry, so that when price drop and triggers you at that level, you are going to be in a trade, okay? So you are going to write the stop loss that you copied, 1.0719, and then the take profit that you copied as well, which was 1.07087. Now if the values are correct, you are going to see place appear down here. If the values are not correct, place is not going to appear, okay? So sometimes you type that value and you are not going to see it here, so you can always adjust. Now you are going to adjust your lot size also, okay? Don't forget that you can use 0.01 depending on the lot size. We have studied lot size also. You can use 1.0, which is very big, one standard lot. Don't use it for now. You can use 0.05, 0.05, 0.06 depending on the lot size you want to use, okay? And then you are going to press place. Now it is done. When you come here, you are going to see a sell stop order. Just press on chart. You see this is the value on my chart here. This is the price at which I want to enter. You see it in red. This is my stop loss over here, and this is my take profit right down here. I hope this is understood. Now if you don't want to do all of this and you just want to buy instantly, just press on new order. If you just press look to the bottom of your screen, you are going to see sell and buy. If you just press any of these values, like now, you are going to be in the market, okay? Because that is an instant execution, okay? It is instant, it is immediate, okay? You don't want to wait. The disadvantage with a pending order is that sometimes the market can come really close to your trade and fail to trigger you, okay? You can set an order. Let's take GBP USD for example. Let's say this is our, like what we can see here, this is our buy limit order down here. Sometimes the market will come here and come very close to your order and then retrace from there and push up and will not fill you in. That's a disadvantage. Sometimes the market can come here, fill you in, stop you out, and then continue in your direction. Likewise with the sell stop orders, okay? Let's look at Euro USD again. Chart. Now this is our sell stop here. Sometimes the market will come here or down here and then trigger you, reverse and stop you out, and then continue in your direction. So all the orders have their own disadvantages. If you set a sell limit also, let's say here, sometimes price will push up, fail to fill you in, just come very close to your entry, okay, and then retrace. Or price will come there, fill you in, hit your stop loss, and then continue in your direction. So all the type of orders have their own advantages and disadvantages, but this is how I can explain to you, so you can choose which one favors you depending on your schedule. There are a lot of people out there who trade only pending orders because they don't have that time to sit in front of the chart and place trades, okay? So you can practice this and see which one works best for you. Always remember your risk to reward ratio. If you are risking 10 pips as your stop loss, make sure that your take profit is 20 pips, okay? I've taught you how to add and subtract pips. Now how do you do? Just take the entry price, you copy the entry price here, look at the value in black, 1.07698. that's your entry price. I've taught you how to add and subtract pips. If you are buying, okay, you add your take profit. So add 20 pips on this current market price, okay, 20 pips, I've taught you how to do this, and then you subtract 10 pips from it, that's going to be a stop loss. 20 pips is going to be your take profit. Now when you add, you take the value that you have gotten, you come to quote here, you come to new order, and you fill in the values here, okay. You fill your TP here, you fill your stop loss here, okay. SL means stop loss, TP means take profit. When you add 20 pips on your current market price, it's going to give you a value. The value that you have, bring it here and add on TP. When you subtract 10 pips, it's going to give you a value. The value that you have, bring it here and you fill in here on SL. That's going to be a stop loss. So I hope I've cleared some of your doubts. If you still can't understand, I plead that you watch the video over and over again. It's going to help you. Thank you so much. We are going to meet in class again. If you have any difficulties, I will still clarify you. Thank you so very much, and goodbye.